Hey everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hey, how y'all doing?
This is with Tony TV. I am Tony, of course. On some platforms, you may know me as Tony J, and then to a select few in my life, I'm also known as Antoinette. Feel free to call me what you like, but thanks for joining me on With Tony TV. I'm super excited because I've dabbled in YouTube before. You might have known me from Tony J Beauty, another channel I have here where I explored products to help beginner makeup artists and enthusiasts improve their kits and experience as makeup artists. However, with the madness going on in the world, I've kind of had time to really reconsider, and I've decided I really just don't love makeup in that aspect anymore. I love to teach, and I'll continue to give tips on makeup, but it is better on a more personable level where I'm talking to people one-on-one instead of just making videos about it. So with that being said, I created With Tony TV just to create a fun and more personal outlet to express myself. If you know me at all, if you've seen me on social media, and if you haven't, which most of you probably haven't, I'm very opinionated. And with that, I mean, if you have the thought, if you know quite a bit of stuff, I'm not saying I know everything in the world, but if it's a subject that I know about, why not share it? So here I am creating With Tony TV to document travel, wild activities, product reviews, life hacks, and my favorite topic, debunking influencer recommendations. Some of them are spot on, but sometimes, with the sponsorships and trying to get views and all that crazy thing, some of this stuff really does not work how they say it works. So here I am to really test it out and give you an honest, unsponsored review. Maybe some sponsorships in the future, who knows? Nonetheless, it'll still be honest. And with that being said, you should make sure to follow, like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff I can't keep up with. Hit the subscribe button here, of course. Follow me on Instagram.
Blippity blippity.
Okay, so I figured that we couldn't do a welcome to my channel video without giving you a little bit of fun facts, and hopefully you find them relatable. Starting off with the first one, Starting off with the first fun fact, I own a cute little fur baby who is, I think, currently sniffing my lipstick, but this is Ginger. Very much so on the calm side right now. However, I can guarantee you're gonna hear her bark, and if not all of the videos eventually, most of them, because that's what she does every time she hears something outside. Dogs. So this is Ginger. I'm going to put her down because all of a sudden she's getting antsy, even though she wanted me to hold her a minute ago. There's that. Along with being a mother to one fabulous fur baby, I am married to the most amazing man in the world who is in the military. Thanks to him, we are currently living in Japan, which was part of the reason why I started this channel, because this is my first time living abroad, and I know it's a little bit different. So if you're curious about living abroad, you should definitely stay tuned to what we've got going on. As I mentioned before, I'm a hairstylist, so no surprise there. And I'm a creative thinker. Everything I do is from a creative aspect. When I was a kid, oddly enough, I wanted to be like that logical person. I was like, I am so logical. Everything that I do is based in fact and numbers. And even though that is still part of me, I move a lot off of fact because, emotions can kind of steer you down the wrong path. But I am very much so creative, and I am trying to create a life based in that creativity. What else? Initially from Maryland, moved to Florida at the tender age of 20 after saving up some money, going to college, well, community college first, and then I moved to Florida. And then I think that's about it for what I want to share for right now.
That's all y'all need.
Like I said before, I created this channel as a fun outlet to express myself and to really just chat and create a friendship, I guess, of some sort, with other people around the world, because doing hair and showing up online as a professional sometimes just gets really stuffy. Like, I just want to talk. I just want to, bond. And so that's what this is for. Nonetheless, I'll still be doing hair. So check me out again at Tony J Beauty on Instagram. And with that being said, thanks for watching my first video. I cannot wait for the second one. I think it's going to be a juicy one. We're going to kick off the channel with some bangers. So make sure that you subscribe here to WithTonieTV, and you follow me on Instagram at with.Tony. And let's, get this party started.